Europe's Meteor air-to-air missile, despite its youngest age, is being sought by many countries. What has made the advantage of this long-range air-to-air missile? The Meteor is ready for use on Eurofighter Typhoon fighters. Meteor has passed all the necessary preliminary flight tests onto fighters. The next stage, also the final stage of the test, is to fire live ammunition with Meteor. This situation seems strange because Meteor has been used in the air forces of several other countries for quite some time. In 1984, the Swedish company Saab Dynamic, commissioned by the Air Force of this country, began to build a long-range air-to-air missile codenamed RB-74 using an engine jet. But after a while, the Swedish army lost interest in this project and then the British company BAE took over the project. The British were swept up in the idea of building this missile for the European Typhoon fighter jet project and agreed to allow 5 more countries to participate. This led to the creation of the European MBDA company, bringing together German, British, Italian, French, Spanish and Swedish developers and missile weapons manufacturers. Work began on an ambitious project aimed at creating the best in the world air-to-air missile named after Meteor in 2001. Meteor tests started in 2006 and lasted until 2013, as during the testing period periodic intervention by the designers was required to not only eliminate bugs, but also increase Meteor's combat abilities. The Swedish Air Force was the first to use Meteor for their Gripen light fighters in 2016. 2 years later, France began installing Meteor missiles on their Rafale fighters. Then Meteor began to be equipped in the air forces of the countries that bought this fighter such as Egypt, India, Qatar. With the export of Gripen aircraft, Sweden has exported Meteor to the Czech Republic, Thailand, South Africa, so the Meteor rocket has crossed the territory of Europe. It is expected that by 2024, the UK will equip F-35B vertical takeoff and landing stealth fighters operating on their aircraft carriers with this type of missile. The next potential Meteor buyers are Brazil, South Korea and Japan. But surprisingly, only the Germans delayed integrating an excellent missile into their Typhoon fighters' weapons system. The biggest advantage of the Meteor missile, this is the only missile among all current air-to-air missiles not using a solid fuel turboprop, but using an liquid fuel jet engine. Meteor rockets also have a solid fuel engine, but this is only a starter motor, giving Meteor the initial speed to start the liquid fuel engine. The solid fuel engine helps Meteor reach an initial speed of Mach 2. The advantage of a jet engine over a turbojet engine is that the jet engine operates during the entire flight, thus the speed of the rocket does not decrease to the final journey. That's why Meteor's ability to intercept maneuvering targets with up to 11 g-force at the end of orbit is such a great stat. Therefore, Meteor is capable of striking at maximum range any fighter aircraft, including super maneuverable aircraft such as the Russian Su-57 or Su-35. All other long-range missiles, including those of Russia and the United States, do not have this capability. For example, Russia has a missile, the R-37, whose unique range exceeds 300 kilometers. But at a long distance, the R-37 can only hit tankers, bombers and AWACS with sluggish speed. Similarly, the legendary American missile AIM-120D, with a range of 180 kilometers, also works in a similar way. But it is even worse than Russia's R-37 and R-77 medium-range missiles. When the aircraft maneuvers at low speed, it cannot launch the missile. Russia's capabilities in the field of tactical missiles cannot be underestimated. Russia could have had its own version of Meteor. In 2012, the Wimpel Design Bureau completed work on the development of the K-77PD missile and prepared to produce a batch of test missiles for delivery to the Air Force for test use. However, this project was closed because the rocket was too expensive. Wimpel then decided to focus on developing the cheaper and simpler K-77 missile type of missile that Russia loudly says it has no similar product in the world. Missile K-77PD abandoned is a rocket using liquid fuel jet engine. Its maximum range reaches 192 kilometers. The K-77PD, like Meteor, is equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar that operates in stages, greatly increasing the missile's anti-jamming capabilities. With a jet engine, the K-77PD is capable of intercepting any aerodynamic target at long distances. But this is all in theory, because funding is difficult, so the program is not invested. As a result, Russia lags behind Europe in terms of tactical air-to-air missiles. Thank you everyone for watching this video.